wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best baguette pans. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. Made from highly conductive aluminum, the USA Pan 1152FR can give your bread a thin, crispy crust and a slightly chewy center that's great for bruschetta, sub sandwiches and more. Its smooth, durable coating makes for effortless release of your finished product. It's BPA-free and manufactured in the USA. However, the wells are rather narrow. At number 7, the compact design of the Zenurban 87002 allows for convenient placement on a baking stone, in addition to directly on the shelf of your oven. This heavy-duty carbon steel choice features 3 troughs and can accommodate up to 1.5 pounds of dough. Air flows freely around the loaves, and it has a coated surface for easy cleaning, but be aware that metal utensils will scratch it. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the bread experience banneton will help you achieve artful creations reminiscent of those in European bakeries, as it imprints decorative rings into your loaves. This 17-inch oblong basket is made from natural rattan wood. It comes with a recipe card and is woven by hand. A liner is sold separately. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baguette pans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Paderno World Cuisine 47014-35 features 4 aluminum gutters that will give you fresh, crusty bread that's sure to disappear in no time. Its non-stick surface eliminates the need for pre-greasing and makes for quick, simple removal and cleanup. It's dishwasher safe and lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's an affordable choice too. Halfway up our list at number 4. Crafted from ultra-strong platinum silicone, the lekue Mini can be used in the oven or microwave at high temperatures. The holes on the bottom and sides provide the benefit of evenly distributed heat and ample air circulation. It's a soft yet durable material that comes in a good size for making hot dog buns. It's also available with round wells. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 4 gutters of the amagabeli silver are equipped with perforations that allow moisture to escape, giving your creations a beautiful golden crust. It features a smooth non-stick coating, and unlike many others, this one can be put in the dishwasher. It's a sturdy and thick construction that's oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. At number 2, designed for making 2 loaves at a time, the Mrs. Anderson's Baking 43671 is also well suited for cheesecake rings, spice cakes and more. It's made from carbon steel covered with non-stick silicone for uniform heating and quick food release. A beaded rim prevents it warping and is made of FDA-approved materials. It comes in at a budget-friendly price. And coming in at number 1 on our list, just insert your dough into the Emile Henry Baker and cover it with the included lid, and soon enough you'll have soft, fresh bread with a golden, crispy crust. It comes with a handy recipe book and is backed by a generous 10-year warranty. It's safe for the freezer and available in 3 colors. It's manufactured in France. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baguette pans, or simply click beneath this video.